Here I have this Ploopy Classic Trackball. Recently one of the mouse buttons broke off. It's supposed to go in like that and be part of the same plastic as this piece. I should be able to 3D print a new part, but I have to figure out what revision this is, and it says somewhere inside, so I have to disassemble it. First I'll take off the wedge, which I have stuck on with mounting putty. Now some screws are exposed. A 2 Phillips is too big. 1 seems pretty good. PH1 bit. I think it's just these 4. I have never taken this apart before. I bought the pre-assembled one. A little over 3 years ago. Hopefully it'll go back together well once I'm done. Everything still works besides that plastic for the button being broken off. And so I was using it until just a few minutes ago. Okay, how do we get this off? Prime by the port seems like a safe bet. Might have to hold in the mouse buttons. Pretty snug on this side. Oh, here we go. I think it's coming off. I wonder if I needed to take anything else out first. Like these rollers, maybe? Are those in on top of the case? There should be a letter in there to tell me the revision. somewhere in there. I can't quite see. This really doesn't want to come out. Wait, does the bottom come off? No. What is it stuck on? I hope I didn't cover a screw hole with one of these. I don't think I would have done that. Okay, I think I better look this up so I don't break something. I can't find much about disassembly. Everything is just about assembly. But I saw something about twisting. Oh, there we go. I think. Oh, I saw a crack. Right there. There's some separation. I wonder if I hit that with a soldering iron or something, if it would be better. I'll probably just leave it. It still seems solid. Okay. So this is a revision D. That's where the button broke off. It's supposed to go like that. And that says C. I don't know if that matters. I think this screw is the same size. So then this should lift out. That's a pretty nice print. That part looks rougher, probably because support material was there. I wish they could have made that stronger somehow, but I think it has to flex by design. It did last over 3 years at least. Okay, revision D, so I know what parts to print now. So that'll be my next step. I might put this back together since this one button still works for my back button. see how hard this is to get back on. I think you gotta do something weird with the scroll wheel dowel. It has to line up somehow. I have no idea how this goes on. Maybe now I could look at an assembly guide. So that has to line up with the port. There was some sort of twisting. Oh, there we go. So the plastic bowl goes behind the board there. And it's starting to go together. Gotta make sure that dowel gets into place. If I can. Maybe I go this way. Oh, I can manipulate it a little. There we go, maybe. Is it in? That's a big gap. I don't know if that's right. Did it always look like that? Where did I put the wedge? Oh yeah. That post goes in that hole. And I added the putty for extra adhesion. And then I can pick it up as one piece also. Once it's stuck. Alright, I'll end this video there. There'll probably be a part 2 if I get that button printed right.